By now, you people should know that I like waking up early because I'm always filming my videos in the early morning. But this morning, I wake up, look outside my window, and guess what I see? I see 3 deer. There's a buck, and then there were 2 does following him, just walking down the street. Super uncommon for where I live here. There's places not far away that see deer a lot, but for where I am, for where I live, super uncommon, so that was cool. Anyway, aside from that, today I want to work on the slash. So if you follow me on Instagram, which my Instagram is highway49_RC, go check that out. You would have seen that I got a bunch of parts for my slash in. Not all of those, but some of them. Stuff like bumpers, new wheels and tires, stuff like that, an outerwears cover. But today I want to focus on just a couple little things because I want to save the bigger things for later. But I'm going to be working on just replacing a rear body mount and adding some shims here to the wheels, because when I redid my bearings I noticed that some of these were missing, so I got some and I'm going to be putting those on today. Alright, I'm going to start with the shock mounts, or not the shock mounts, the body mounts here. As you can see, this side's broken pretty miserably. Been like that for a little while, but whatever. Just going to take out these screws that are holding it to the shock tower. Alright, there we go. Super easy. Just move this out of the way for a second here. And then move the camera back a bit. Grab a new part here. So let's see, looks like we need the screws from the bottom of here, which is no problem at all. Which ones are they here? I don't know. I think these are for, these little sticky uppy ones are for a different model probably, because I think this is for, I don't know. I don't know what these 2 little pieces are for, but I don't need them, so no big deal. Just unscrew the screws on the bottom of here and just use them to put the new ones on, basically. Alright, these are lined up here, so just going to take these, and these were on the inside holes. Line them up with a little slot there. Somehow. Please? Maybe? Okay, let's put the screw through first, that'll be easier. And there we go. There's the new body mount thingy that's ready to go. Now I'm just gonna take and put this back on, basically. It's going facing like the back, it's curved towards the rear, because I was looking, you can see the little wear marks on the shock tower, so that you can see which way it's supposed to go. Perfect. All done. And then I also have another one in case this one or the front one breaks. So I ordered 2, you know, just in case, because, you know, something like that's probably going to happen. They're getting a little bit beat up, you know. Alright, well, never mind. I'm actually not going to do the shims just yet. I'm going to do those in a later video because if you guys didn't see on my Instagram, I got fresh wheels and tires for this thing. I'm not going to tell you guys what wheels or tires I got, but it's going to make more sense to do the drive shaft shims when I have the wheels off and I'm doing all that, so I'll just do that later. So we're actually going to work on the front bumper because it's broken and it's kind of trashy looking. You know, I liked the whole pink idea at first, but whatever, it's no big deal. I mean, blue is my favorite color, so I'm kind of turning this into a more blue rig since my pink body is getting a little bit worse for wear. So I figured, well, alright, I'm just gonna replace it with a whole brand new thing rather than trying to salvage this pink one, because, you know, the hack job I did on it, it worked for a bit, but I don't know, looks kind of gross now. Not as big of a fan on it. I guess I'm also gonna have to find some screws for it. That's gonna be the other thing. Not sure where I put those. I might be able to find them. So those 2 screws for that piece. And then I gotta flip it over as hundreds of little rocks fall out of it. And there's just these 3 screws on the bottom here to do. Boom. Bumper's off. This piece is actually from the stock bumper. I just cut it and then screwed the pink bumper to it. So the pink bumper is actually a slash 2-wheel drive bumper. I made a whole video on that. If you want to go see how to retrofit that, you can. I will keep this so that in case in the future I want to use it, I can. But, you know, whatever. And there we go. Alright, here's the front bumper, the new one. I've already put it together. These screws are a little bit long. Those aren't the ones that were like stock on it, but I couldn't find the stock ones, so I just used the ones that I had on hand. So, whatever, no big deal. Should just slot into there. It should just slot into there. No. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. And screws go back in. Easy, easy, no big deal. Figured, well, it's not really such, like, it's not really a complete upgrade series, but, you know, just like an upgrade and repair sort of thing, because it needed to happen. Things were broken, you know, like my rear bumper is broken too, but I'll be tackling that later. So I just figured, well, just do it all in like a beginning of summer parts haul upgrade session sort of thing, you know? Thought that'd be a good idea. You guys might enjoy it too. Now let's see if we can get that thing squidged in there properly. Probably place it with it. There we go. You know. Alright, this might take me a few minutes, guys. There you go. Front bumper is done. And that's going to be it for today. I know it's kind of a boring video, but we've got more interesting things coming, I assure you. You know, we did the rear body mount, replaced the front bumper because that was broken, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. More interesting things coming, I promise. May not have been the most interesting thing, but you know, whatever. Stay tuned to next time. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of this. I mean, of course, you guys probably don't have much to say, but whatever. It's no big deal. You guys comment on all my other videos, which I'm super grateful for. Makes me feel like, I don't know, really appreciated. I like it. Anyway, it's about 7:13 now. Gotta leave for practice in an hour or so, anyway. Enough of me rambling. I do this all the time, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, highway49_RC, and I'll see y'all next time.